Hi there folks, Prepper Al here again, and in the post today I got a new Shemagh or Shemagh, however you want to spell it or pronounce it. This is a great wee survival tool. It keeps you warm, it keeps you out of the sun. You'd use it as a sling, you could use it as a neck wrap or a scarf, you could use it as a bandage or a tourniquet, and you could use it as a head wrap. And I'm going to show you, and you could also use it as a water filter, as in put it over your water bottle and then pour the water through the material and the water will go through into your water bowl. But this is what I like to use it for. I'm going to demonstrate how you wear it as a Shemagh, as a head wrap. So, ninja style. So, take it, fold it in half and have it like in your inverted pyramid style or inverted triangle, whatever. Behind yourself, lower it a little bit and then off centre it to your left, my left, and just bring it over the brow of your head. Take the short side down under your chin and straight up. Swap hands, take this, take the long side and just cover your nose and your face, pick up the slack, pull it round your head and then tie above and behind your ear. Then just adjust to suit yourself for your vision. There you go. And I want you to see the tie just at the back there, above the ear or just behind the head. There you go. So that's your Shemagh. You pick these up on eBay for £5, £6, £7 at the most, free P&P, and they come in all different colours. And this is my sort of woodland tactical style. So, here, I'm Prepper Al. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you later.